Hi guys, welcome back to another video on Benidorm Scooter Sue. So after yesterday's flood here in Benidorm, there were reports of sewage as the drainage system here in Benidorm can't cope with heavy water. Now I have just come along to have a look, and yes, I'm afraid I have seen some evidence. Some of the drain covers clearly look like they did lift yesterday, and there is sadly signs. Hiya, right. There is sadly signs that there has been sewage leaking. And that, unfortunately, is going onto your beach. Lovely. And more undoubtedly into the sea. So this paper is what it is, I'm afraid, guys. And people are swimming in the sea. See there, it doesn't smell very nice in this area. The thing is, this is something that was supposed to be solved. These drains were supposed to be fixed, but obviously they're still not coping. So just not nice. Look, round here as well, quite often it happens. Doesn't look quite as bad this time. So it is something just to be aware of if you are here on holiday in Benidorm, you're with your children. Just be wary on the beach, because this is what happens. Yeah, apparently last night after the flood there was quite a bit of sewage. It didn't smell very pleasant. I've seen a few comments on it. So as I said, if you have got family, children, just be careful if you're going onto the beach and into the sea. And I haven't seen any warnings online as such, but and let's be honest, would they really want to tell you these things unless they had to? At the end of the day, they want the tourists and they want the money. So, sad to say, there's probably a lot of things that they're really not going to tell you. I believe, from what I've seen on social media, that some of the strip flooded. I love how people just walk along in the middle of the road. Cayman's busy. Few in Tiki Beach, but it's still early yet. Apparently this area flooded yesterday. And sadly they're letting kids swim in this, not knowing what has been washed out in it. I certainly wouldn't allow my kids to swim in that. But each to their own, I suppose. But I most definitely wouldn't be letting my kids go in it, as it was washed out off the grass from under the bridge. And that is an area that people allow their dogs to toilet on. So all of that has been washed down onto that area. And kids are paddling and swimming in it. lovely, lovely. So thanks for watching, guys. Please hit that like, hit the share, hit subscribe, and I will see you all on the next one.